Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a medium mullet haircut. First, understand the distinct features of this style, which typically involves shorter sides and front with a longer back. Consider your hair texture and face shape to ensure it complements your features. Gather your essential tools, including sharp scissors, a comb, and sectioning clips, before you begin. Begin by sectioning your hair into 4 main parts: front, top, and 2 sides. For the front, decide on a length that frames your face, often around 2 to 3 inches. The top section should be slightly longer, perhaps 3 to 4 inches, to allow for volume. Use point cutting to create a softer, more blended finish, avoiding blunt lines. Next, address the sides, keeping them shorter than the top and blending them smoothly into the back. Aim for a gradual transition, often using clippers with a number 2 or 3 guard. For the back, establish the signature tail length, which can range from 4 to 6 inches, depending on your preference. Use texturizing shears to remove bulk and add movement. To style your medium mullet, experiment with products like sea salt spray for texture or pomade for a more defined look. Blow dry the top for volume and direct the back for its characteristic flow. Regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks are crucial to maintain the shape and prevent the back from becoming too long or unruly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.